In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a name in Canva. This process is simple and effective, helping you personalize your designs. Let's get started on making your project unique and engaging. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Canva. You will see a list of search results. Look for the official Canva website, which usually appears at the top of the results. This step is crucial because accessing the official site ensures you are using the latest features and security measures. Once you find it, click on the link to proceed. Next, you will need to log in to your Canva account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for free. Logging in is essential because it allows you to save your designs and access your previous projects. Once logged in, you will see your project options. Now, choose an existing project or create a new one. If you're working on a design you've already started, click on it to open. Alternatively, you can create a new project by selecting a template or starting from scratch. This step allows you to work within a familiar framework or to innovate fresh ideas. Your canvas is now ready for customization. At this point, click on Text in the left side panel of the screen. You will notice a variety of text options available to you. This action is significant because it opens up the text tools you need to add names or any other text to your design. After clicking on it, you will see different text styles and boxes that can be used. Next, select Add a text box or choose a pre-made heading style. If you want full control over the text, adding a text box is the way to go. However, if you prefer a quick solution, selecting a pre-made heading style can save you time. Both methods are effective depending on your design's needs. Once selected, a text box will appear on your canvas. Now type the name directly into the new box on your canvas. This is where you personalize your project. You can enter any name you wish, whether for an invitation, a poster, or any other design. Being able to add names directly makes your project feel unique and tailored to your audience. Once you've added the name, customize your style using the top toolbar. Here you can change the font, size, and text color to match your design aesthetic. This step is vital because it enhances the visual appeal of your text and makes it stand out. You might want to experiment with different styles until you find the perfect look. By following these steps, you can easily add a name to your Canva project. Each action reinforces your design skills and allows for greater creativity in your work. Remember, taking the time to customize your text can make a significant difference in the overall impact of your design. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to add a name in Canva. With these steps, you can create beautiful, personalized designs that effectively communicate your message. You are now equipped to enhance your projects with just a few simple actions.